I made my Klingon dagger. just got this bad boy finished, so what can I say? An iconic weapon, and I'm just so happy to have this in my collection. Goes nicely with my original one. Still, considering how many years ago I made this, it must have been at least like 10 or 12 years ago or something when I made this. Not bad, but yeah, this one's in a league of its own. I put my own spin on it, so you can make your own and come up with your own symbols that you want to put on it and really get creative with it. So yeah, so starting things off, guys, see the House of Martok crest. If you don't know Star Trek Deep Space Nine, Martok was introduced in that series, and what an awesome character, you know, with his one eye. Such a classic, iconic character. That great Klingon presence about him. Loved the show. Star Trek Next Generation and Deep Space Nine. Some of my favourite stuff from those series. But yeah, pretty faithful to how it was in the show, with all the main elements. Apart from, obviously, this one has a leather wrap. This is like a suede kind of material that I sort of weathered up and made it look a little bit more warrior-like, let's just say. As for the spike one, well, these originally were very sharp, so I could not. I was putting it against me to do stuff, and I was just putting holes in my clothes, and I was like, oh jeez, I've got to take the spikes down on them. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Remember, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to see made next on this channel. Lightsabers, custom builds, and props, all on the way.